Hi everyone, my name is Squid Oyster. Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to play Lollipop Chainsaw. And I realized that is a different color of Lollipop Chainsaw. Normally it was all pink, not rainbow. But hopefully it still be the same game. It started this game came out, I want to say, during probably sometime around maybe 2011 or 2012 or so. This game was very fun to play with on the Xbox and the PS3. So I'm really looking forward to playing this game again.
Welcome to my bedroom. Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff. Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today. These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row. But we haven't won yet. Ugh. To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat, but they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year, and she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf, but try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual. Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school. I'm so lame. Ugh. I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the worst thing that could ever happen.
I'm pretty sure he's going to be okay, I think. Alright, let's go ahead and check on our displays. The music is fine, right? The music's pretty fine. Alright, so subtitles are on. Just want to make sure. Alright, yeah, everything looks pretty alright. Let's see here. Juliet's ring. Illustration, music, achievements, telephones, Lollipop case, zombie album, item combo, costume chainsaw. What the? Okay. Okay, it's just giving us the like a list of collections for us to have. Okay, I see how it is. Yeah, difficulty would be normal. That'll be fine. Whoops. Alright guys, let's go ahead and play this. Before the intro I was going to put in, if you guys do like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you guys would like to follow for more videos, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys do not miss another gameplay. And let us get to this, guys. Original mode. What's original mode do? I think just regular, right? Now the intro earlier was a little bit choppy, but hopefully the rest of the video
Oh my god! What the heck happened? Gross! No! Back off! No! Yeah! Seriously? Dude. The hell? And on my birthday, too! Like I'm not already late enough! Gross! Stupid! Undead douchebags! OMFG!
Juliet, totally in love with. I cannot read that. But we do play as Juliet.
This is so irritating.
Before we go around, I do want to look around real quick, see if we have anything around. Now, I do see a little bit that the animation, the cutscenes are a little bit laggy at first, but I think it's holding off right now. So, triangles kick. Sorry, not triangle. Squares kick. Triangle is chainsaw. And circle is dodge. X is for. I'm not certain what X is for. Now, in the achievements and trophies, I know it's pervy to do this, but you can actually look up on her skirt at a certain amount of time and she will cover it. I'm hoping if it'll fucking let us get the achievement, honestly. There it goes. Yeah, I swear I did it by mistake. So they did kept the trophy and the achievement on it, so that's good. Alright. And
Jeez, it sucks when things explode. I need to find Nick. Stop it!
Zombies do poop.
zombies still free? Now, correct? Oh, she jiggles up on her chest too. Sorry if I sound pervy. I'm sorry. I'm just looking at every detail that they updated on it, which is really good. Now, also, I do have to apologize if I sound different from my other time video. I am a little bit sick. Ooh, you see that? Everyone is dying. I saw that jock that got pulled by a zombie. Trying to make sure I'm not losing anything that would be good for us.
Be safe or be sorry.
Hold it right there! You zombie jerks! I'll help you!
Awesome! I'm still alive!
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone
Be
else
careful.
out.
Wasn't he bit?
Look out! Incoming!
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving.
Okay, we can go around there. I'm just checking around just in case. Whoops. What's that do? I can't remember a lot of this stuff.
Eat it up.
You got a lollipop. Use D-pad for health. Okay. Here. What the hell? Oh, was I supposed to go back over there? Can I go back? Oh no, here we go. I was worried at first because I wasn't certain if we're able to grab anything. Alright, let's see here.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your taint.
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey, Herb! Don't be looking at my skirt!
Why is it that the zombies are still talking even though they're dead?
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Ooh, got hit. Oh, come on, stay down. Oh, okay. I didn't. I accidentally killed him.
Where am I?
Great. See one more. I got it. All right.
Nice. The helicopter guy killed a couple of zombies on there too. Ooh, what is that?
Heat it up.
Okay, collect number 1. So our stuff. So we got 1. Definitely got to check every little nook and cranny on this. Oops. Now I don't know what that gauge is.
Ah! Watch out!
Come on, get away from me!
Hold on, I'm coming!
That one's still knocked out.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding. Fuck off! Get away!
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones. I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
That is a lot of zombies.
Fuck off! Get away!
Dang! I'm trying to make sure he stays alive. Oh crap, we got some more zombies. How to cook what? I didn't see that. Oh, some medals over there. Okay, let's go check. We got some medals. Checking everything, just in case that we're missing anything.
Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square. Jesus God! Get off me, you bastard! Oh shit! Tell my wife Jesus God! Get off me, you bastard!
Oh no!
Oh
He
shit!
crashed over by this
Tell
floor
my
and is
wife
probably dead!
Oh man, that sucks. What's going on here?
Just a second.
Oh, phone call.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Was that it from Mom to talk to us? I feel like there should have been more.
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some
shop.
shopping. Awesome!
This here. I can't, I'm assuming from YouTube's regulation, I can't really use any exotic wear, so I'm not going to do that. Definitely by myself, though.
My girl!
Get out of my way! I'm in a hurry!
Ow, apple. Okay, I don't think there's anything for us. Ooh. Some gold medals, we need that. Oh,
The
collect.
best calories!
Chop shop. Okay, it's chop shop 2. How to cook a zombie. Oh, what did it say? How to cook a zombie. Let me see here. Oh, it just shows the main characters. Okay. And then the other one is the... Which one is this one? Oh, the basic heavy chainsaw. Zombie counter. Oh. Basically everything that we have to deal with. Juliet's stash. Okay. You're saying there's something here. Oh, music. Okay. What else is there? Oh, magic beans. Chainsaw full switch. Oh, these are item combos. Okay. Oh, these are achievements. Okay. Wait. I think there's an achievement or a trophy that we did earlier. Lifeguard, yeah. And these are zombie stuff that we did. Does he even name them or no? No, I think they're like different variants of them. Don't know what a Lollipop case does, but I'm assuming something at least. Okay, I think that's all of them. Except for one. There's a Juliet thing. What's left here? Not where I did the music. Hold on. Is there really nothing here, like... Is it on the item combo? I'm assuming?
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Okay, apparently it was just that. There's still more? What am I missing? I'm gonna have to check that later. Here we go. I'll have to check the rest of it later. there anything behind there? No.
No need to come out.
Ow. Ow.
Your goal. Let me fuck your father.
Okay, why? That is disturbing. Why do the zombies say that? That's disturbing that a zombie said that.
Ready? Go.
Here he is. She's all hyper from like Super Mario, kind of an ordeal. I don't know if we're missing anything. I don't think we are.
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead. Please move. I'm in a hurry.
Ow! Oh, he's a variant. Oh, okay, so they're different. Oh, that was doors that you saved earlier.
Decontaminate! Decontaminate!
Decontaminate us, or?
Respect people's property.
Ow. I will have to use one for now. Killed one. I'll take the zombies with all those sparking hunt. Come on. He's like, well, come on here. Buttons, why aren't you working here? Ow! Come on!
Now this.
I don't know if it's like, ow. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to use another lollipop then. Don't really want to. Okay, cool. Killed him. So we have to use 2 lollipops for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get in here, get to the campus.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
Nick is dead, I think. Definitely in that situation.
Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick, oh, please.
Juliet!
I'm so hungry.
Ah! Ow! Shit! Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
Oh no, it can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick. No, there's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby. Okay then.
I was being
Awesome.
graded for completion time. It's serious. Hunter level 14. Well, that's interesting, honestly. So I'm gonna end the episode here for the first one. I do love this game. I haven't played it a lot. Looks like they made a few changes. Hopefully it's not that much different from the game. I don't think it is. But you know how gaming industries nowadays, they like to change a thing or two or a little bit in each of these remasters. But anyways, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And like I mentioned, if you guys do want to subscribe and hit the notification bell, definitely hit it if you want to. I cannot force you. And as always, guys, I will see you all on the next level. Later.